Today I'm going to be doing a science experiment with this science experiment kit I got for my birthday from my mom. And this is just a box of popcorn I was eating. Anyway, let's get into it. I've used this before, so it may look a little bit messy. First, I'm going to put this on, which I'm really loving now. Hit. Now, where is that? So, I got this. Now, let's see what project we're going to be making today. How about we do hot and cold water do not mix? So 1, PVC glass, PVC sheet. What is that? No, that's paper. No, that's a clip. Is this the PVC sheet? Where's the What's the PVC sheet? Is this it? Is this it? I'm still gonna look. Looks like it's the only sheet we got. Maybe we'll do the other one since we're not very sure. So I'm gonna be doing candle pump water. You need pigment, a measuring cup, a plate, a candle, and some water. First step, pour the water into the white plate. Okay. Anyway, so we're just gonna pour some water into the plate. There. Oh. And then we're gonna do 3 drops of pigment. I chose blue. 1, 2, 3. I accidentally did 2 quick drops. And then stir well. You know what? I'm doing it. Let's stir well. Okay, next, we're gonna put the candle in the middle of the plate and light it. So we need to get a lighter. So here's the lighter, and now what we're gonna do is, light it. So I need the cameraman to do this, so I will hold it. Actually, never mind. Light the candle. Nope, not lighting. Okay, and then next we are going to be placing the measuring. Whoa. Oh, water got sucked into the measuring cup. You know, the measuring cup is kind of hot. It was kind of hot. Oof. Wow. Yeah, that was so fun. This was so fun. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.